Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable and use the eraser tool in your notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the page inside your notebook. I will go with page number 2, and as you can see, for demonstration purposes, I have drawn a couple of lines. So to erase these, switch from the drawing or writing tool here at the top to the eraser tool, or use the shortcut E. Choose the thickness here. If you'd like to erase, for example, a larger area, you may also switch between standard eraser and stroke eraser, and here to the right, go through these eraser settings. For example, clear the entire page. Now, I will go with this thickness here, so start drawing with your eraser like you would do with any other drawing tool, and erase these elements. You may also clear the entire page, and that would look like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.